What most people do is they snatch that first cross, boom, like this. Their hands are flying and they forget their wrists. That's what I'm going to teach you today. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people, and another fire skipping tutorial. As always, today I've got a 2-minute tutorial and I'm going to go over it. I know I'm already going to go over it. Sorry Nathan, you're going to have to edit this, but anyway, you're going to get a ton of value, right? Today I'm showing you guys how to nail the double under cross, but in a bit of a cooler way, okay? Like, I've got loads of tutorials on this move from back in the day, even got a full-on series, right, a playlist. But today, in this 2 minutes and a bit, I'm going to share with you some really cool secrets, things that they don't share with you online. I'm going to get straight into this video, okay? Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the buttons, do what you need to do, man. Join our army, man. We're crushing it around the world. The rope that you all need as well, down below, link. Got some more restocks coming in very soon as well. All right, let's get into this. What's a double undercross, all right? So if you're watching this, you don't know what it is, then I would encourage you to go back and probably build on your foundation and skills. Double undercross though, however, if you are still interested, looks like this. Like that, okay? That's the kind of Mayweather method. So you cross first, try and do it slower, cross, uncross, okay? Now, the key to this move, right, where people kind of fail and get it wrong, is that they snatch in their arms, right? They're trying to get this cross, uncross, done super quickly. Legs going everywhere, knees flying, like flexing, everything. It's all messy. This is how you can do this really quickly. What you just need to remember is when you do that first cross here, okay, that first cross, you have a bit of tilt in your body. It's a big move that I always talk about. But the actual secret here is that when you do that first cross, you have to rotate these wrists. You have to get the speed whilst you're in this cross position. What most people do is they snatch that first cross, boom, like this. Their hands are flying and they forget their wrists. That's what I'm going to teach you today in the tutorial, is that you can actually go slow with the hands, or slow with the arm, sorry. As long as you get that revolution with the wrist, a little flick, that rope's going to come around you with enough speed so you can uncross it. So I'm going to do this mega slow just to prove that point. So most people, like I said, they try and go fast. Let me show you the bad way quickly. Most people, they go here like this, right? Hands quick. Everyone thinks that this move needs to be done quickly. The rope needs to come around you twice. You're crossing, you're uncrossing, one jump, etc., etc. Now watch how slow I can do this. Really nice with the wrist. Right, I'm jumping a little bit higher so I can obviously get the hands slower, but the point is it's all in the wrist. I'm going to come a little bit closer to the camera. Right, so what we're doing is this cross. You now rotate the wrist, right? You feel that pause. You feel that cross, pause it, yeah? Don't uncross it straight away. Cross, flick, uncross the rope. When you uncross the rope now, the second key tip is you uncross it down and away. You point your thumbs down and away. Don't come across your body like this. If you come across your body, you shorten the rope, trip. So it's cross, flick, down and away. Let me show you that again. Watch. You see? The feeling that I'm getting is the thumbs are, when they're uncrossing, turning over the wrist, unflicking, unhinging, whatever you can call it, and then the thumbs come down and beside my body. Yep. Third tip, quick and easy, right? We're getting through this, blasting through this. It's the whipping sound, all right? You're gonna hear this little whip that I make. That is coming from that little rotation. You don't get the whip if it comes all the way from around your body. That's why when you bring the elbows in, it's not all from the arms, not from the shoulders. There's no whip when you do it like this. Check this out. It's gonna look so weird. I can't even do it. Hold on. I'm trying to show you the wrong way. Hold on. Okay, like there's no whip. It doesn't have that swoosh that you need. That's all gonna come from your wrist. Check it out. You hear that? Bit more quicker. So when you get good at this, people, think wrist, think hands popping out, kind of coming away from your body, but feel that rotation. When you get good at it, you're gonna be knocking them out multiple times. Nice and easy. I need 2 minutes. Nathan's looking at the birds.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
These birds are chirping loud.
Okay, cool. Listen, that was it, people. When it comes to skipping, all right, one last thing I need to always say, it's not going to come overnight, okay? Never comes overnight. This thing's a journey out here. You need to make sure you take the time to put in the effort and just let it come, man. Just go on that journey, man. Go on the road. Nathan's looking at me like, bruv, why are you still talking? It's important. It's important they know this. You can watch me all day. You can go to the gym tomorrow. You can go in your back garden. You're going to mess up. You're going to trip. You're going to whack yourself. Don't give up. It's the main thing. Listen, I'm going to leave it there. Remember, hit the links. Give this video a big thumbs up, people. Be really useful for me. Start crushing one of the most epic moves out there. Get it involved in all your combinations. Crush your game. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.